يا هلا weekend انفصح أهلين. So today I'm going to teach you English. But English أنت اللي برين كهر وحباجي ساعة وين يقرأ holiday وقت دير أكون مخلي وقت
أنا نقول يا راتي وقت يريس أنا راح أحاول أنا حتى مو مريض
مسبب معمول حاجة سوا يعني فيني ليش علمه ما أنت حالك قبل السنة بس حاجة تقولين I'm gonna give you a little exercise about English. So it's diary. Everyone who is ready? Come on, sister. Come here. We're gonna have conversation. Hurry up! Don't waste my time. Time is precious. Which class are you? Four. I'm going to give you a difficult task. Can you see this book? It's class 8 book. So I want you to read. I'm gonna correct you, however. Read the story about alarm clock. The alarm clock.
Mr. and Mrs. Nasir
Read it aloud. I wanna hear.
Mrs. and Mrs. Nasir started a business new country electronics in the
No one can read anything. So today I'm gonna write for you some English words. Be prepared, okay?
Okay.
What the fuck is going on? Why didn't you wrap the blackboard? Hurry up, Daksa. Tirtir saburda. Useless. Before I come in the class, nataka niwaone kama umepanguza blackboard. Sawa? Chukua chaki ndio. Acha kuchukua chaki yangu. Nenda panguza ukuta. Panguza.
Where is this?
There is it on the desk. Hurry up. Sitaki kuja kwa darasa kama mjafuta upao. Sawa? Unasikia? Nikiingia darasa nataka upao imeshatengenezwa. Futwa yani, si kutengenezwa. Oh my gosh. I'm going to write some words, so you need to read it. Hadhara nimewambia, naandika maneno hapa. Nataka msome hizo maneno naandika hapo. Umesikia? Umesikia wewe mama? What is it?
Short change.
Someni pamoja.
Short change.
Read it aloud.
Short change.
Read it again.
Short change.
Short change.
Short change.
What is this now? Read it.
Thread.
Yeah, repeat it again.
Thread.
What is trade? The meaning of trade. Trade ganacsi. It's business. يعني no, not business. Trade is like ميرا تقتي. I'm gonna translate for you Somali because all of you are Somalis. ميرا تقتي waxa soo gadanaysa waxa soo gadanaysid. Wax ma gadanaysa ma trade gadashada saarna I think so. So let's go.
Go to trade was cool.
Yeah.
Firewood.
Read it again.
Firewood.
Read it again.
Firewood.
Read it again.
Firewood.
What is firewood? Actually, firewood in Somali is hawa.
Olio.
Korea. Yeah.
Yeah, وش العيال وصلوا وش
Yeah. I'm gonna write another word for you.
watermelon.
Read it again.
Watermelon.
Read it again.
Watermelon.
What is watermelon?
Watermelon.
Say it in Swahili.
Um,
Please stop it, mom. Huyu mama ameshangaza Jo. Who knows singular plural? So what is the plural of girl?
Boy.
No, I'm not talking about opposite.
Girls.
Yeah, you add S. It become girls. Have you got what I said?
Yes.
Girls. Secondly, let's talk about. Can you anybody tell me another name for opposite? No, you haven't reached that level. So I'm gonna skip that topic. Let's go to.
yeah.
Read it again.
Chair.
Yeah.
What is the plural of the chair?
Chairs.
Yeah, very good. Mama anaweza kufanya kitu.
Demi minus. Much.
Read it again.
Much.
What is the plural of the match?
Much.
Is it S or ES?
ES.
I didn't ask you. I want to see how you read that one. Yeah, the truth is matches. We don't use every English word S only. Some we use IES, some we use ES, some we use S only. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
I will tell you the difference why you use those words another time. But today let's go to our topic. It seems like you can read, but I want you to read a sentence, full sentence now. Read
The
it.
school is dirty.
Read it loud.
The school is dirty.
Come here, Wema. Nataka usome kila kitu nimeandika hapa. I want you to read everything that I have written here.
Yes, summer.
Yeah, read it one by one.
Girl. Girls. Chair. Much. Much. Short change. Tried. Watermelon. Fried food.
No, you are wrong. It's wrong. Can you see fire?
Fire.
Which means the
Fire.
wood and wax. The
Fire. The school is
fire, the wood and wax. Firewood.
firewood. The school is not
The school is.
that.
This makes people need.
Yeah, what's it?
This one she wants to go to it.
Okay, go.
صفحة طلع لي آدم باب توصل على